We're standing here at this crazy new facility. I don't even know how many cars there are in here. How many cars are in there?
Almost 300.
Almost 300 cars. I mean, we are actually cooking up something together here in Vegas. You guys will hear about soon. Probably the biggest thing I've ever done. It's gonna be crazy. Very overwhelming, to be honest. And I see cars all the time, so Bentleys. Is there anything under 100 grand here? 100 grand? Nothing?
Loaded. No, that's over 100 here.
Okay, you guys have to work harder and come here and buy these cars. So
We're looking
Spectre.
for a car to build. That's what we want to. We're looking around. Is we want to try something and just give it a little flavor. So,
Yeah, which car should we build? I think this is easy for us.
see, everybody's scared of the green though. Because
No, I love the green.
And I love the green personally. I think that's
Yeah.
it's the new hot color. These colors are coming back. You know, do you remember
Yeah,
our
purple.
parents probably had forest green cars back in the day? You know.
I love it. I just did a forest green BRABUS G-Wagon, and that was amazing car. I sold to an NBA player in Orlando. The problem with this car is that the market's tanked, and a stock version it might not be so appealing for somebody. But if we spice it up, add some carbon fiber, put a 1016 kit or a Mansory kit, do RDB wheels, all that stuff, I guarantee this car will sell quicker. And that's kind of what we're gonna be toying around here with. All these cars are pretty much stock, but RDB is gonna come out and do a bunch of things to a bunch of these cars and make them more attractive to sell. The last purple Cullinan I did was actually for Dwight Howard. I remember that. But this is cool. This car is gonna be our next big car to do body kits on, the 1016 kit wide body. We have 3 of them at RDB LA shop right now. We're gonna be doing a Mansory version as well. This is gorgeous. Red RS right here. This is something I would drive, obviously. It's red, it's bright, it's got the black wheels. I mean, this is a perfect spec Porsche right here. So if you guys want to inquire, it's available here. Got a bunch of other Porsches, got some McLarens. The selection here is endless, and got a lot of room to grow. We got offices. I mean, like, check out those offices. I don't know how many offices are up there. I don't even know if they need that many offices, but 300 cars, 300 offices, so pretty cool. Yeah, we got more cars up there. You got 4 GTs up in the front. I saw 2 4 GTs. This is not the only place Nick has. He has 2 off locations as well where they're doing wraps and clear bras and detailing. We just went over there and saw an amazing 918 Spider getting done. We're gonna try to make anybody with a high-end car have to come here. This is gonna be the spot. We're gonna have car meets over here. We're gonna build a car culture around it. This is gonna be one of the first dealerships with a body shop attached to it, so stay tuned. We got the Spectre out at the shop, loading it up, and it's gonna head all the way to Los Angeles tonight. Pick the car, we're gonna do it on the spot. Getting on the truck literally an hour later and heading to Los Angeles. You're gonna see this completely transformed. It's gonna be lower. It's not gonna have all this chrome on there. All the green is gonna work so much better. Gonna get rid of that funky orange. It's gonna look 100 times better. It's gonna be more appealing to a future buyer. So yeah, we're gonna get it done really, really fast and send it back. The kit's already headed to my shop right now. This is all done in a couple hours. So you want the fast service, the best cars, hit us up.
I don't think for the damage they're gonna like to change this one. Just remove the front bumper. It's got 5 minutes. To go the porch, and after porch finish the doors, I go over the Rolls Royce. Yeah.
Rolls Royce.
Rolls Royce.
Rolls Royce.
Rolls. Oh. We're gonna change it. It's 40 to 40. No mames. This one coming from the dealer. It's a new car.
Actually, last time to roll some shit. You can cut the room.
Yes. I didn't see the handle. Why are you screaming? This is a new car, BRABUS gonna be new Mercedes Wagon. So the thing is, before they come in those emblems without glue. Now they put in 40 to 40. It's a super strong glue. It's,
Why? Brand new car.
really doesn't need it though, right? But that's why he's screaming.
I'm not screaming.
No, he's screaming.
Yeah, because I'm the time you're screaming, man.
It has a very good insurance. Oh, okay, do it.
Yeah, it's shaking. A lot. Shaking a lot.
You can feel it. What? No, don't say no. Close the hood, go back and forth like this. And you're gonna check out the feather shakes. Just try it.
You want to take a picture of this?
No, we need to fix the car. I don't need the picture. I'm gonna take a picture and do what? When you start the when you start the car, I feel it already misfiring really bad, and this is what it says. Yeah.
This is what it is.
He's like, he gave me this.
Well, the problem is obvious because it's shaking a lot. So just try to find it. Oh, when you start the car, it shakes really bad. It's misfiring. Yeah. I'm saying maybe it's more easier for you to get the problem, solve the problem. You know?
You're learning a lot, Carlos. You learn a lot.
You're gonna be the next
I
mechanic.
learned from the best, from you. No, you taught me a lot.
No.
Without
I'm learning too.
without you, well, yeah, we always learn.
Every day learning.
Without you, I wouldn't know this. We have a Mercedes GLE here. Let's look at this side. All right. So this car is in here for a full clear bra. It's a very nice car actually, 2025. We're gonna do a full clear bra. He likes the color of the car. We're gonna keep it the same, as long as and we're gonna do a blackout. So we're doing these steps. As you guys can see, there's a lot of parts involved. We're gonna do gloss black. Also, we're doing all the emblems gloss black as well. We are making these guys all black. Everything will be nice and black. Also, we are painting the rear plastic bottom piece of this car, body color so it matches. So yeah, it's gonna look like a completely different car when it's all said and done. Stay tuned when it's done.
Wait, they're doing the BRABUS, right?
Huh?
They're doing the BRABUS. Just the parts in the back.
You gave them the carbon that they're doing China.
Yes, all that.
Yeah, only one piece is
No,
carbon.
two, I think.
It's just the
What?
it's just the hood.
And the back piece that is not.
No, the back is regular spoiler.
There's carbon.
Oh, the code for the tire.
Yeah. Can you hurry up?
Hey, don't do like that. No, door. I fixed one door already.
Okay, cool.
Espérate,
How many URUSs are in the shop right now?
espérate, chiquito.
It's all
Espérate.
Cullinan,
I need to turn around.
G-Wagon's a
Turn
purifier.
around this one.
All right, guys. So this is something we were holding back on. We were not allowed to post it. We had a contract in place, but since we released the podcast episode, I don't know if you guys are aware, but the RDB podcast is back. Here, we're actually test fitting the entire kit made out of 3D printed parts. We literally got a whole car 3D printed, and we test fitted it. We remove all of the parts off the Revuelto, and it becomes basically a bare naked Revuelto. And we test fit all the 3D parts printed by 1016 Industries. Everything pretty much fits spot on with a few little discrepancies, which we did it for this reason, to find out what those were so we could fix it. And now in about 4 to 8 weeks, we will have a completed production kit. And we will actually be doing the same car, which belongs to Chris at Premium Detailing. And you guys are going to see a lot more into this. This one is wrapped for now. We'll see what happens when we do the wide body. But yeah, the wide body kit is intense. Quarter panels, front lips. I mean, you could even do a regular body, narrow body on this thing. You could add the wide body later. So many options. All of that was done really quickly, and we didn't show anybody. But here you see it now.